fan. Siguro akong favorite sa Missing Philemon is if I have to pick one is Kung Ako Ka Pa Lang. Then
so this is
Magyani Mawala, feelings pagkaha.
Hoy, Paula, hi. We're friends na ta. Kabalo
Dito
biya.
na ko nagboy. Kada ato no kay kanang unsaon yung pag kanang pamakak na naay mo yung project. And then maglaag na imo. Me kanang hi sa akong mom if you're watching. Like na me na may practice sayaw. No, practice sayaw up to gabi.
Someone tapos you just wanna be, you don't wanna be too upfront. You can send like the YouTube video of this one. And like the other person will
And then,
just
come Netflix and chill with me.
okay, not necessarily nga unsa ni siya hanggat ni siya mo ana ko diha or unsa ra ba ganahan ni siya. Well, it's subject to interpretation.
Yaw lang sa inayawan, basing magsugatan. Tas akong ex. Because every time I play this song, like it always cheers me up. Never fails. Hi.
Like just.
Ngayong hapon. Medyo duka-dukaan yung auntie kay. Siesta time na siya diri.
Yeah. Elle, thank you for visiting me again. This is your
Yes.
third time right in Germany.
We are in Dusseldorf. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Dusseldorf.
For the Japan Day.
For the Japan Day.
It's very warm. It's 29 degrees or probably 30.
30.
Oh.
My God, grabe kainit.
And ang problema mo is like, kita nga mga Pinoy, di ba? Nasanay ito sa humidity. So I would really prefer, even if it's 30s in the Philippines, but the thing is, you'll cool down from the,
Yeah.
like, from your sweat,
From your sweat. Here is like,
being inside an oven.
yeah, and we're how mapasok sa kainit.
I'm just not used to this. I would prefer the humid, like the humid heat in the Philippines, in Cebu,
Yeah.
and here in Europe.
Same. But anyway,
Speaking of,
people would kill to come here. Like, why are we complaining?
no.
Hilas! Bahala ko pa rin basta hilas.
But speaking of Cebu though, we really love the island, and we really
Yeah.
champion the Bisaya language, culture, and the arts. And Elle here is a big fan of Bisla music, or the Bispop, right?
Yes, I
So,
am.
can you tell me, Elle, ang sa imong history with Bispop?
Pag high school ko, parang sikat mayo ang Bisrock.
Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly. It started with Bisrock, yeah.
Oo. And then, wala lang, sikat good siya. Tapos, it was always being played sa
Yeah.
radyo, and then ako mga friends po. Sa uso na ang clan.
Oh really? Yeah, okay, yeah. No, I never joined a clan.
Never joined that.
I'm such a nerd.
So, nag-join ko kuan Bisrock Lover Clan.
Oh really? Oh my god. This is like a new story I did not know about.
Yeah, so uso na mag-clan and mag-meet up sa Ayala. Wala na siya.
Nag-uyab ka?
Wala na. Ano ba
Na
uyab
Bisrock,
ako?
ano, fan. Or banda.
No, ang first ako uyab kay Bisrock fan po siya.
Oh, ito mo na ganun.
But dili mi dito nakita.
So inyong theme song is like Bisrock as well?
Gugmang giatay.
Ay,
Charing.
really?
No, wala may I forgot.
I even
So,
forgot about that song until you mentioned it.
Yeah.
Bit ano?
Actually, nakasing ko nga, apel ako siya. So
Oh.
today, we're gonna talk about like 5 songs that we like.
Yeah.
Mga biz duck songs or biz pop or biz rock songs.
And for anyone who doesn't know anything about Bispop, these are like the songs that we would recommend.
Yes, if you want to start like listening to Bisaya songs.
Yes.
Maybe you have you want to learn Bisaya, so you can learn it through songs.
Exactly. So I'm going to start. Like
Yes, sige.
my first song is called Antigulang. Right?
Missing Philemon.
Oh, Missing Philemon day na?
Yeah.
I didn't
Wala ka
know.
nag-research?
Nag-research ko pero wala na akong gibantayan kung kinsa.
Dili man na ang tigulang ang title ana.
Dili.
Kung man ang senior citizen man ang title ana.
Oh, really? I didn't. Pero
Senior
na-screenshot-
citizen by Missing Philemon.
Oh.
Ang tigulang bisag bako.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Because I remember this was, I think, back in high school. Like, they were playing this one. Kanagong,
Sikat po sa Cagayan. ang kuwan.
sikat din siya sa Cagayan. Then kanang, kurat gid ko sa bola. Kanang, it's so catchy because like before that, like the only Bisaya songs that I know are like the ones from Lita Corrales, like those songs that were like famous back
My
in the
God, you're
days.
talking like you're so old.
No, but because I grew up with my grandmother and like she used to play all those songs from like the...
Tas kanang plaka.
Oh,
Yeah, may
nagdako
lolo
ko
sa...
mga daghan mga plaka. So, those are like the Bisaya songs na...
Vinyl.
Oo. And I didn't know nga naaday ka na mga modern Bisaya
Yeah.
songs.
Until you heard.
Exactly. It became a hit on radio and I was like so amazed because at first I was like, Bisaya really...
Funny
The thing
siya.
is, it's funny and it's
Catchy.
catchy and this is like, I would say, my first foray into this song.
Yeah.
So that's Missing Filimon,
Yeah,
which is
Missing
connected later to something that I know. Okay, so that's my first song, and I really love that.
Suroy-suroy.
Later.
No, I
Okay.
actually didn't put Missing Filimon. Wala ko yung Missing Filimon na songs,
Oh.
but idol gina kasi shout out sa Missing Filimon. Thank you for your
Service to the community.
for your contribution sa Bisaya music sa
Yes.
Cebu. At yung mga taga Cebu man
Ah, yeah.
I think.
Pero kabalo
Sorry,
ko
don't
sikat
quote
din
me.
sila, institution, they're legends.
Yeah. I think, asan na? Taga UP ba din sila?
Ah,
I don't know ba? Buhat
most
na
likely.
siguro po.
Okay, maybe you can just write down
Yeah,
the
let us know
comments.
kayo. Wala ko kabalo kayo sa ano. But up until now, like sometimes mag-concert sa Cebu.
Uh-huh.
And they're still very well loved. So, yeah. I cannot choose like only one song sa Missing Filimon, so I didn't choose any. But
Oh.
I'm a big fan. My first song is Love You Langga.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You know this song?
Oh.
By Jerica Tio Derico.
Okay.
Cho Derico.
Uh-huh.
Char, feelings lang, Tio Derico. Hindi na kabalo ko pronounce.
What's ang lyrics?
Feel, I like the start because even if like you're very sad or you're so pissed off that day, pag makanood ka nga kanta, it's very cheery man good.
Mhm.
So it goes, ang tagubtub sa kumuhan, dili na muhunong, di na yun mabangbang.
Oh, exactly.
Na. You know this song?
Yeah, I know this song.
Yeah, so I like that song. And I think na ay movie si Kim Cho nga gikanta ni niya.
Ah, okay. Katong Star Cinema.
Oo, basta sa
Katong,
movie
like-
niya na murag singer kunuhay siya. Yeah,
Ah,
gikanta ni
okay.
niya.
Katong murag ano siya, like, murag ano siya.
I don't
Ang
know.
roll ba?
I don't know. Kalimut ako. Basta anyway, gikanta na ni. Basta I love this song because every time I play this song, like it always cheers me up. Never fails to
Okay.
cheer me up.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this became like multi-platinum in your charts?
Yes.
Okay.
This one on repeat.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the next song sa Kua is also connected sa katong Missing Filimon nga ang senior citizen. Okay. So this is like one of the songs nga just like that song, every time you hear it makes you smile. This song always makes me smile.
Which one?
Which is My Morena Girl by Hey Joshua.
Okay.
Right?
You know, oh, because Missing Filimon is mentioned in their
Oo,
lyrics.
Hindi mo na yung lyrics dito nga. Kanta sa
Something like
Umi
that.
ang kanta
Para si Muha. Na halfway down the world, my morena girl.
And
Yeah.
even though like the lyrics of verses, it talks about na Cebuana culture,
Yeah.
mula ang Kaskulun,
Yeah.
fighter, kanang mga oh my god, this is so distinctly Cebuano.
Yes.
And I really love the fact nga, these are actually, they're Americans, right? They're Mormon, unsa tawag ka na nila?
Kind of missionaries.
Yeah, missionaries, and they speak fluent Bisaya, and they became such a huge hit
Yeah.
back then. Like,
I think there's a one-hit wonder.
it's just one, yeah,
Yeah, but it's a very good song.
it's just a one-off.
Like Morena, my Morena girl. It really talks about like Cebuanas kay Morena gina mga Cebuana. Like
And
me.
I have a story about this one because like I was a part of a show in GMA. It's called I'm not sure if
I
told you
didn't
about
know
this
that.
one. Yeah, I had a cameo. I'm on IMDb, by the way. I had a cameo
What's that?
on
IMDb? What's that?
Kana kung if you work on TV and on like movies, ka sa IMDb. So I had a role there.
Roll.
Just like it was just a bit role. No, because
Wait, why is this connected? ADHD kayo ka? Why is this connected to my Morena girl?
so kani.
Pero ang story.
And sa stories lang ako because there was sa ganito. Si Barbie Fortesa, she has this like soap before. Kalimut ko sa Inday Will Always Love You.
Oh, yeah.
So, ang setting ato is in Cebu and she's supposed to be a Cebuana.
Oh.
Tapos i-push ko na ko na kasi I know the producer, I met the senior manager, the program manager. So, shout out to Neil Gumban. Yeah. So, it's like back then I auditioned for Survivor Philippines but he remembered me. So, mo na nin. So, I got the role. Then I also became their language.
Kasi mo role.
Mura ako kanang nagpalit ako lechon. Tapos I had the scene with Tekla.
Okay.
Yeah, episode 8 by the way, if you're going to check it out on YouTube. Episode 8 of And I Will Always Love You. But I've always told them, I'm hoping kwaon ninyo ang My Morena Girl as a soundtrack.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's very distinctly Cebuano, and this show is
But
actually like
Barbie is not
She's-
morena.
she's not morena,
By
but-
any stretch of the imagination. She's like so puti.
opposite of being Morena. But the thing is, it's like the show is Cebuano, it's a rom-com, and I said this is like a perfect fit for the show. So eventually, nag-anang senior manager na ako. We're not sure ha, kay mahal mong good ang like you have to license it and all that. Then again, nakurot na lang po pag-premiere sa show. Yes,
They
they played
used
it.
Morena
Yeah, they
Girl.
used My Morena Girl.
Okay.
And I love it, and
Wow,
I'm so happy that
congratulations.
they got it. Because like, I've
Dapat
always
na
been
kay
pushing.
kuan ato oy kanang porsyento. Kay ikaw pa din. Di mo man ditong idea.
No, the fact na kanagong we're talking about it now and kanagong we're pushing, we are celebrating this pop is already enough.
Yes. Okay. Nice. Ako Jerica gihapon ni di ba? Idol gyud si Jerica. But ganahan ka. I promise, so na yung last na Jerica nga song, but it's called Baklay.
Okay.
Similar siya sa My Morena Girl o sa Suroy-Suroy by Missing Tiliman na nagstorya og mga places sa Singuba.
Yeah.
So nang maling ako ani kay naa siya ka ng ang lyrics niya kay kung mamista tas argaw, kwaunti ka sa Bulacau. Pero kung dito sa Balamban, manukad ta sa Talamban. Ayaw lang sa inayawan, basing magsugatan, tas akong ex.
Ah,
So it's a really fun
Yes, yeah.
song. So I like it because kanang makarelate ka kay no. Give up mention mo ang mga barangay sa
Yeah.
Cebu. Then ano pod catchy pod siya. But I promise this is the last Jerica Chaterico. But I really love Jerica.
Labi makagtingog kantay ko itong part ng kay Murag.
Um,
I'm not sure if I know the song.
Bisan asa man manglupad ang lagan, kahit na basta makuyog ang duha. Kung mahurot na ang pliti o di na ta makasakay, baklay lang tabay, baklay lang tabay.
This is actually good, like perfect na siya soundtrack if you are like shooting a music video in your head and naka sa na traffic ka, naka sa jeep.
Yeah,
Mo ni ang
but this is mura siyang song sa kanang mga barkada ba nga
Oo.
manglaag ta, bahala wa tay kwarta,
Oo.
magbaklay lang ta.
Actually,
Mura na siya nga song.
perfect po di kung like, let's say high school mo or college
Yeah.
barkada, mag-adto mo sa beach.
Oh,
Kung
kanang
ano
walay
yung
kwarta
song-
hay bitaw.
Oo.
Kana remember mo sa una kanang maglaglag mo sa barkada niya. Walay kwarta.
Wala, walay
hay.
kwarta.
Oo. Mamukong at Charlie.
Diba?
Pakbaklay lang pa yung pamukong.
Just bring the good vibes.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Okay, your next song.
Okay, my next song is one of my favorites as well. It's called Balay ni Mayang. Okay,
Oh,
this
yeah,
song
yeah.
is
It's a
also,
classic.
it feels like a hug. It feels like an ice cream on a Sunday.
Yeah.
I'm not sure kung kabalo mo ani ako sa balay.
Di ba mo man na yung nakadaog ang balay ni Maya?
Oh really? I didn't know that.
I
It's
think
like a
ang
this
balay
one.
ni Maya ang nakadaog.
It's such an amazing song.
And it's in Canto de Tagalog as well.
Yes, they actually
Yeah,
did
they
like
know the song.
they did the translation with Kingsley Candido. That's cool.
Oh, mo ba?
So it's just different. Like I mean it was great, but still I would prefer the original. And lahi ra gyud kay mura siya kanang kiat nga sweet.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's about you like someone kiat kay ka dayon ka nang gina-invite mo siyang anhi ako diri sa balay.
Yeah,
ana.
yeah.
And you know, and that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I really love it. So wait, example sa lyrics ana is ana diri. Anhi ako diri sa balay kay gimingaw na kunig imong gamay ayaw na pagdugay dugay pagdali kag anhi kay ganahan ko kitang duha diri mo pa. So come visit me at my house. Don't take so long because I want you to come here and we can take a rest.
Yeah.
Chill.
I love
Oh
this song.
yeah, it's a
And
perfect
it's
for Netflix and chill, right?
And it's a very sayon ra ni siya i-ukulele.
Yeah, exactly. Especially like ang intro niya.
Yeah.
Oh my
Balik-balik
God.
naman ko siya. So I like the song.
And if let's say ganahan kag someone tapos you don't wanna be too upfront, you can send like the YouTube video of this one, and like the other person will
And then,
just
come Netflix and chill with me.
okay, not necessarily nga unsa ni siya nang hanggat ni siya mo ana ko diha or unsa ra ba ganahan na ni siya. Well, it's subject to interpretation, but like kung if you wanna be kiat but sweet, do
Send
that.
the
and tell us if it worked, okay?
Yeah. Next song is Wonggoys by Wonggoys
Uh-huh.
by Blima.
Okay. Yeah.
It's another song na I don't know kasi garo mga song sa Bisaya ganahan ko katong siyang mga very cheer me up ba.
Yeah.
So, Why Blima by Wonggoys, it's very catchy as well, and it's wholesome lang siya. It's not about pangbarkada po siya nga kanta ba.
So I think we're going back to your college years. I think
Dili siya college years. Uy, ano na ko, nag-work na ko.
okay.
Dili ko na kayo.
Uh-huh.
Kanang, it's just nice. Like, it's very catchy. Pang good vibes are po, Wonggoys.
What's your favorite na line din?
My favorite na line is sa Subon. Like, idol, maayong pag-abot, feel at home, ug balata sa akong langit nga humot, pagpilig matimog basta't paghugas na kamot, ug gustuhin komportable dan palata and relax some more.
Uh-huh.
It's like like barkada kay mo nan kanang komportable na kay
Exactly.
kamo ato siyang balay na
Oo.
ikaw pag mo na mo abli sa
Oo,
ref.
oo.
Ina na siya nga I still love that kind of friendship
Yeah.
ba. So it just reminds me of that nga pambarkada po siya nga.
Do you want to dedicate this song to like a friend? Like
No,
shout
not-
out to a good friend, like
Not
kanang
really. Wala na akong friend. Charay! Dili,
Does this remind you of certain someone?
It
like,
reminds,
from you?
oh yeah, it reminds me of my high school friends.
Oh.
Hello, Gadak Girls. Oh,
Okay.
di ba, no? Dami ka na. Dami name.
Oo.
The Gadak Girls.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, girls that letter Z. That you.
Ah.
Jajemon kayo. Yeah, karag, ang high school friends din ako kanang we've been to each other's houses.
Yeah.
Kanang bitog. Basta. it's
Katong
so-
time nga wala pa yung mga problema.
Oo, oh my God, yes.
Katong time nga magpangayo
Ang
extra.
problema, kawara ko buwag na mo.
Yeah,
So
so
he's like, a bangers siya.
Yeah, it's like
Dema ra ato no kay kanang saon yung pag kanang pamakak na naay mo yung project and then maglaag na imo. Me kanang hi sa akong mom if you're watching. Like wala na me na may practice sayaw. No, practice sayaw up to gabi. Naglaag-laag ay na-miss ta.
Yeah, the good times.
Yeah, good times. So yeah, that song reminds me of like high school. But I didn't, wala siya nigawas pag high school na ako. But like, it just reminds me of good memories.
Let's-
Was that the third?
Yeah, that's the third. Like that's
Which
the
is your
power.
fourth?
Yeah, but that's the power of songs now.
Yeah.
Kind of it's a time machine.
Yeah.
It takes you back to a certain era in your
It
life.
takes you, yeah, for sure, for sure.
My next song is one of like the perennial favorites in Cebu. Isa gini sa mga super sikat yun. Okay. I mean, unlike you, dili mo kay pa ng super anong yun ka nang I don't really know that much ka. Ikaw, you know all the deep cuts. Ako, I know all the mainstream hits. It's called Ha 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 Sula.
Oh yeah,
It's like, oh my
of
God.
course. Sikat po din siya sa mga Tagalog.
It's so lagi.
Oo.
Nainisutin ako nga biskan daw ko sa Luzon.
Oo.
They were listening to it and
Kurt Fick.
oh my God, shout out to Kurt Vic.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's well written. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I like the lyrics as well. Kaya it's very like kanang mga abangers bitaw diha nga key friend zone.
Oo.
Muna siya.
Mo ba ka nung may pasa ako mga dambo.
Aduna pa'y ikaw ug ako. Kung mauman gani may pagmatug ug balik. Ukawara ko buwag na mo.
Yeah,
So
so
he's like abangers siya.
Yeah, it's like mabuti pa sa sa dreams ko.
Yeah.
There's us.
There's us.
But like,
just-
since there's no us, just wake me up.
Wake me up when
Yeah.
you've broken up.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Oh my God.
Ay,
This,
wala din siya.
this is such a very well written song. I
Lahi
really
rin no,
love it.
pag i-English.
Yeah, exactly.
Lahi rin sa ang
It-
Bisaya ni
it-
mga
it
lyrics.
hits different,
It hits
so-
different, yeah.
This is like one of my faves. And ako ganda na rin perfect is that you always just see him around. Like we usually, kasi he's always out and about in Cebu.
Yeah.
For some reason,
Same ni Budoy.
probably somewhere magtaguro man. He's always there. Katong time
I
na
don't think
super
I've ever
sikat.
seen him around.
No, I saw him sa sa Kukuks or sa Handuraw.
Oh, yeah.
Itong, huy, Kurt Vic, we really love your song. It's always
Feeling
nice.
ko.
I mean, not.
Barkada sila sa Kopiga, si Paula Santiago. Shout out kay
Oh.
Paula Santiago, who's also
Yes.
she's actually the second voice sa Hahaha Sula.
Ah, really? Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
So, nana siya, Hahaha Sula by Kurt Fick, featuring Paula Santiago.
Okay,
So,
hi.
ikaw na ko
Hoy,
na.
Paula,
ikaw na
hi.
ko, boy.
We're friends na ta. Kabalo
Ikaw na ko na, boy. Si
Kabalo biya
Paula.
ta, basta Bisaya to Bisaya, automatic friends.
Automatic, uy.
Automatic ka babata.
Yeah. Oh my God, yeah. Katong pag first na mo meet,
Aha.
like, gano'ng inano, dyan, huy, di kasi bude, asa ka gaskwila?
Oo.
Yatay, manay ka. Pag rin ka kailag, yatay.
Tapos for sure, you have a friend of a friend, kailan
Oh
po,
yeah,
di ba?
yeah. Mga nagay ko, how did we not meet?
Well, eventually, nag-meet naman.
Yeah.
At the right time.
Yeah, but in London.
Okay.
Dili sa Cebu.
That's my fourth song. What's yours?
My fourth song is, it is another, sikat-sikat pa siya, but maybe you don't know this song. Ano siya, Duyo.
Oh, yeah.
by, do you know some?
I've heard of it. Ay,
Yeah.
kabalo ko nga sikat na siya. Kasi like, dagay ko musuti yung mga friends nga. Isa daw ni
It's a wedding song.
Yeah, yeah.
Duyog by Jewel Villaflores. And then my favorite lyrics, very ano na siya, pang wedding song na siya. So kung in love ka, this is for you. Ikaw akong kagahapon, ikaw akong karon, ikaw akong kanunay, hulong ko, tinud-anay, kasing-kasing paminawa, diniyogan ning gitara, wa ka nag-inusara, kanimo na higugma.
It's very
It's
beautiful.
like, yeah, it's like a vow.
Yeah.
And it's a really very emotional siya na song.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's perfect for wedding. I think na kasama to nga wedding. I don't know if kung kay abad.
Yeah, I was about to ask you kung have you witnessed a wedding wherein they
I think
used
na
this song?
artista nga Bisaya nga
Muning
muni
iba.
ilahang, I don't know, dili siguro na Paul-Jake. I don't, basta someone.
Would you consider this
Or is he?
like for your wedding?
Case. Ha?
In the future?
Wala, may husband. Wala may kanang potential husband.
You know what? Like, we're manifesting.
Say, apply heroin.
Yeah.
Apply below.
Uh-huh.
Comment down below.
And you are going to play Duyog sa imong wedding.
We'll see.
We'll see. And I'm hoping that husband is going to appreciate the Cebuano language.
Ay, ginoo ko. Ang
Diba?
isa lang.
So that's your fourth song, right?
Fourth song. Your fifth song.
Okay, my fifth song. Well, this is like for sure. This has been like multi-platinum or quadruple platinum in everyone's music charts, which is the song by Jackie Chan. Second.
Pero Atikra.
Pero Atikra. Like,
Yes.
oh my God.
Favorite na ni Kelly.
Like,
Ano, mention na po na si Kelly.
Hi, Kelly Rafal. Okay, so di ba, you have Ha 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 Sula?
Yes.
Then,
It's the same time na sila na sikat.
yeah,
I think.
mura nagsunod na po sila.
Yeah.
I think, I'm not sure ha, do not quote me on this, but I think it was Jude Gitamundo who wrote both songs.
I
That's
don't
why it's
know.
still the same.
Isn't it Kurt Vic who wrote both
I don't know.
songs?
Or probably produced by Jude Gitamundo. I don't know. Yeah, he would have.
Si Kurt Vic may nata I don't know.
We really don't know.
Sorry,
So guys, just
Kurt Vic, paki-correct nyo kami lumabas.
just educate us, okay? Pero we really appreciate your music.
Yes.
We appreciate your service to the community.
Number 1 na sa charts ang Pero Atikra.
Oh,
Uy.
can you imagine kanang I really thought at first katuman tong I used to train some agents in Cebu. Tapos ang ako mga agents kung hindi musulti aning kanang sa lyrics ba
Pero
sa kadagong may pa kadagong
That's my favorite
katong may
line.
exactly usa kating
May pa ang bulk mawala man gani ang bulk gun, ang feelings pa kaha. Something like that.
Yeah. So English na nato like kanagong you can lost like
Like your pen.
yeah like a ball
How
pen.
much more feelings? No,
Yeah, exactly.
dili lang
It's just
siya.
different. It's different.
Ballpen
So
man
this is the-
gani mawala. Feelings pa kaha.
Oh my God.
Diri na lang puputo. What's funny is, I don't understand. Okay, akong interpretation,
Uh-huh.
di ba, is diri na lang puputo, diri na lang putaman. And then, hindi yan na siya per Atikra. So it means like, I will still
Yes,
get back to you.
exactly.
Okay, so yeah, okay, sakto akong
Yeah,
interpretation.
that's the whole point. Like, diri na lang putog, diri na lang putaman. Like, I'll just
Diri
stop.
na
I'll just stop
pumugugod
here.
Sa
tao,
tao,
hindi
kusog
mo daman, like
mudag,
I'm
kusog mudag.
not gonna run after for someone who runs fast.
Yeah, but
Because-
hindi, na siya,
yeah.
pero Atikra.
Because if it's not really us, then it's not us.
Yeah, but hindi,
Dig you,
pero
dig you.
Atikra.
Sige, kung dig you.
Wa na kulay pugsanay, ay na lang, ay naku, Atikra.
I'm not gonna force you. Not anymore. Do not fool me.
Yeah.
But just kidding.
But just kidding.
Oh my God.
Because I want to do it again.
Yes. Oh my
just
God.
like the buses
Buses
and
and trains.
trains.
Yeah, this is kind of
the
like-
masukista in you, the
Yeah.
marupok.
Uh-huh.
What is the Bisaya sa marupok na to?
Bulok na ba?
Bugok ra man itong tawag. Bugok sa gigugma.
Kung sa ganun, ba't alibangbang?
What libang ba?
Like, di ba they say, like, if you...
Balimbing?
No, kung
Oh.
alibangbang kasi, ang tawag mo na nila sa someone nga kanang... Humok ilong!
Humukog ilong.
Yes.
No, for us, the humukog ilong is like dali ra kaayo
Babangbang.
madani, mabangbang. But no, more like sexual.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
Humok og ilong.
fragile. Kabalo lang Bisaya, fragile.
Fragile. wait.
Yeah.
You know what? Nakating ko ang episode.
Tama.
Kanang mga Bisaya expressions. Kay like kana, humuog ilong.
Sige. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's do that when you come back
Yes,
next time to Germany.
Okay.
Because
Or
you're
when
always
you
here.
visit me sa London, dapat visit na ka na.
Yeah, so anyway, that's my favorite song. I'm pretty sure this is like one of your favorite songs as well.
It's one of my favorite songs.
I think it's everyone's favorite song in Cebu. very well written,
Yes.
very well, what do you call that? Ang pagkanta ni, what's her name? Ni Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan.
Oh my God, it was very well interpreted. And
Yes, agreed.
akong problema baka nang we don't turn out these kind of songs anymore. Di ba at some point yung kanang Cebu was like such a factory of like amazing, beautiful
Well,
disc pop.
nagyapon karon, but I think because ang mga Gen Z manggod kay very into they have a lot of access na sa international,
Yeah.
so mas mo ano pas like international.
Mm.
But daaman mga bag-o gihapon karon ng mga Bisaya nga ano. But what's sad is wala lang kayo budget good sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Maybe dapat mag-donate
Like
ka. Charing!
local government, kanang please ka na go.
Government na would. Tara na lang ang government.
No, like let's say
Kung ano ba asa tayo, they never do anything anyway for the basic needs of
So
the people who
probably
watch
like
more music.
the private sector, if you have like extra cash, maybe you wanna
Yes.
help out.
Like you and me, charing. Feeling.
Your fifth song.
My fifth song is, puro lagi ni ano, like love ako is Gugme. Mura Gugma but Gugme by Will Fredo. Ano siya, dili sa sikat kaayo nga band.
Okay.
But I love the lyrics because it says, why makapugong ning lumang alang kanimo, bisag unsaon ug paggahi, mudulot jud gihapon. Why makahunong sa pagbati, walay minor-minor, wala ro sa imong kasing-kasing day, pahulat tapon ko. The lyrics is so Bisaya.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's my last song. I think I realized, puros mga gugma-gugma ako.
No, you started out gani with Gugmang Yata. When you said Gugma, no.
But it's not part of my list.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like na siya sa imong bubbling up.
But I think when you have the senior citizen as your first,
Yeah.
mine was Gugmang Ata.
Oo.
It introduced me to the Biz Rock.
And also, I want to give a shout out for like this song kaning kung sa ganito, kaning Lami.
Lami siyang bayhana.
Oh, okay. Oh my God, like this song, at really first, I thought kaning kung gibog ko sa Bisaya di English.
You thought international.
Kaya ko, pag pronounce niya, Lami siyang bayhana.
Lami
Lami
siyang
siyang bayhana. So,
bayhana.
ha? Wait,
Lami
like,
siyang bayhana.
so did I hear it right? Did I hear it right? It's Lami siyang bayhana.
Lami siyang bayhana.
This is by Mid Nasty. Then like when I checked on
Yeah.
when I checked on the lyrics, it really was Lami siyang
Bisaya.
bayhana. Pero ang title mo is L-A-M-E.
It's like lame.
So it's lame? So really, it's
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 Lame.
Lami.
I love that song too. I
Yeah,
love that song.
it's like one of the newer songs nga, I would say. It's really
Newish.
cool as well. But, any special
2016
shoutouts?
siguro. Missing Philemon.
You're a big fan.
I'm a very big fan. Siguro akong favorite sa Missing Philemon is, if I have to pick one, is Kung Ako Ka Pa Lang.
Okay.
It's a very, also like, a bangers na song.
I'm really hoping ako muli ko sa Cebu makatanaw ko sa kagig sa
Yeah.
Because like, I've never tried it. Yeah.
Ako before, sa ito talaga na.
So you were like
Daghan
rock
kaayo,
star.
oy. Daghan din kaayo mga maayo na artists sa Cebu.
And like for all the artists out there, we would just like to give you your flowers. Like thank you so much for your service.
Thank you for your
And we're hoping that you will
sharing your art.
continue. Right?
Yes, please.
So well, daghang salamat and thank you sa pagtanaw.
Thank you sa pagtanaw.
And if you guys have like suggestions, can you please
Yes,
write down in the
especially
comments?
mga new na Bisaya. Kaya wala na kayo ko na-update.
Yeah.
Wala na ako na-update sa mga new na Bisaya songs.
We would love to listen to it.
Yes. Comment
Hanggang sa
down
sunod.
below. Okay, bye.
Ciao! Oh my gosh!
Grabe, nainitan ako.
Yeah. Ah!